Hey Tiggy. Hey Tiggy. This is Tegan's private time. She likes to hide under the towel for a long time after her bath. She could probably last there about 10 minutes. Slowly emerging. Ooh, where's Tiggy? Where is she? Where's the girl? Is she gonna come out? Is she gonna emerge? Where's Tiggy?
Still have like 20 minutes left to dry.
Where's Tiggy? You gonna come out? Oh, there's an arm. There's a hand. It's a slow birth. Oh, hello. Hi, Tiggy. Hello. We'll You're funny. Where's Tiggy? Oh, there's your hand. Oh, oh, where is she? I hear you. Well, this is fascinating. We'll leave